I want to show you two enhancements in Business Central 2023 Release Wave 1 that will make working with Business Central a little bit easier. The first one is that now you can drag and drop files into the attachment areas in various screens in Business Central. It's really easy to do. I have a contract right here that I want to attach to this vendor card, and it's easy to do. I'll open up the attachments area, click on Attach Files, then I'll drop the file right in there. And that's it. It's easy to do. You can also then download this file if you want to. You can open it up. You can also have it flow to the purchase transactions by marking this option right here. And that's it. Easy to do. Now I've got that attachment. I can easily go back to it. The next feature I want to show you is the ability to synchronize master data across multiple companies within Business Central. And that's really quite easy to do. You have to decide which entity is going to be the source entity, and other entities can subscribe to that source entity to download master data. So to do that, I set up a new company. I've got this company here. Let's move over to this other company that I just set up. I'm going to open this up in a new tab. I'm in my new company and I want to go to the master data management setup. I'll go there. The new company is going to subscribe to information in the other company. I'll select the source company. It's my standard demo company. And then I'm going to enable the data synchronization. That's been enabled, and we'll take a look at the tables involved. So these are all the tables that out of the box will synchronize. If you want to disable some of these, you can, but you can also enable additional master file records. So this is kind of big. So you've got the ability to customize the items that one company subscribes to from another company. I have basic master file records here. And what I want to focus on is the vendor records right here. This is my new company and the vendors I have in that new company before the synchronization is initialized. So let's go back and initialize the synchronization. So I'm going to initialize that. This will go through and do the initial synchronization. After this point, any change that I make in the source company, my Kronos demo data company, those changes will also be reflected in my new company that I just set up. I want to then start the synchronization. It'll go through and synchronize the records between the source company and this new company. We'll let this run for a while and then come back to it and see the data synchronization in action. So the vendor synchronization has completed, and you can see I've got my two companies. On the left side, I have my source company. On the right side, I have my new company. My new company now has additional vendors from the source company. Let's add a new vendor to the source company and see that synchronize over to the second. So go over here, add a new vendor. I've added a new vendor. It's now in my vendor list here. We can see that down here. I'm going to refresh the new company. The new vendor now appears in the vendor list in the new company. So this is an easy way to synchronize master data from one company to another in Business Central. And this will make having multiple companies a lot easier. You should really try it out.